Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the ultimate guide to the top 5 best shredders. If you're on the hunt for a powerful, efficient, and reliable shredder, you're in the right place. From heavy-duty industrial beasts to sleek home office warriors, we've meticulously researched and tested them all. So, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon, because you won't want to miss our expert reviews and recommendations that will save you time and money in finding your perfect shredding companion. Number 1. Fellows PowerShred 79C. Fellows PowerShred 79C is a highly efficient and robust crosscut paper shredder designed to meet the shredding needs of both office and home environments. With its advanced features and 100% jam-proof technology, it offers reliable and secure document destruction, giving you peace of mind when handling sensitive information. Capable of shredding up to 16 sheets of paper at a time, the PowerShred 79C ensures quick and efficient shredding, saving you valuable time during large shredding tasks. Its crosscut blades cut each sheet into small particles, providing a high level of security by rendering confidential documents virtually unreadable. The shredder's jam-proof technology prevents frustrating paper jams, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted operation. In the rare event of a jam, the 79C features a reverse function that easily clears the obstruction, allowing you to continue shredding without delay. Safety is a priority with the Fellows PowerShred 79C. It comes equipped with Safe Sense technology, which automatically stops the shredder when hands come into contact with the paper opening, preventing accidents and injuries. The 79C is designed with user convenience in mind. Its 6-gallon pull-out bin holds a significant amount of shredded material, reducing the frequency of emptying. The bin also features a full bin indicator, notifying you when it's time to empty the container. Number 2. Bonsai S3101M Shredder. Bonsai S3101M is a high-security micro-cut paper shredder, designed for home and office use. With its powerful shredding capabilities and compact design, it provides a reliable solution for securely disposing of sensitive documents and materials. This shredder features a micro-cut shredding style, which cuts paper into tiny pieces, providing a higher level of security compared to traditional crosscut or strip-cut shredders. It can shred up to 6 sheets of paper at once, ensuring efficient and quick disposal of your confidential documents. Not limited to paper, the Bonsai S3101M can also shred credit cards, staples, and paper clips, making it a versatile tool for managing various types of sensitive materials. This helps reduce the time spent on document preparation, as you can shred items with clips or staples still attached. The shredder is equipped with a 4-gallon wastebasket, which offers ample capacity for your shredding needs. The wastebasket features a convenient viewing window, allowing you to check the fill level easily and know when it's time to empty it. The compact design and built-in handle make it easy to move and empty the shredder as needed. With its sleek black design, the Bonsai S3101M blends well with any home or office decor. It operates quietly, making it suitable for shared workspaces or home environments where noise levels need to be minimized. Number 3. Aurora Au200ma. Aurora Commercial Grade 200 Sheet Auto Feed High Security Micro Cut Paper Shredder is a powerful and efficient shredding solution designed for heavy-duty use in commercial and office environments. With its high sheet capacity and advanced features, it offers a secure and convenient way to dispose of sensitive documents and confidential information. The shredder boasts an impressive auto feed feature, allowing you to load up to 200 sheets of paper at once. This significantly reduces the time and effort required for shredding large volumes of documents. The auto feed function automatically pulls the sheets into the shredder, eliminating the need for manual feeding and freeing up your time for other tasks. With its micro-cut shredding style, the Aurora shredder provides the highest level of security, P5, by turning paper into tiny confetti-like particles. This ensures that sensitive information is thoroughly destroyed, providing peace of mind and compliance with privacy regulations. Number 4. Walsh Paper Shredder. Walsh Paper Shredder is a reliable and efficient shredding solution, designed for home and office use. With its versatile capabilities and user-friendly features, it provides a secure and convenient way to dispose of sensitive documents and personal information. The shredder is equipped with a powerful cross-cut shredding mechanism, which turns paper into small confetti-like particles. This P4 security level ensures that confidential information is thoroughly destroyed, making it suitable for handling personal and financial documents. With a sheet capacity of up to 10 sheets at a time, the Walsh paper shredder allows for quick and efficient shredding of documents. It can also shred CDs and credit cards, providing added versatility for managing various types of sensitive materials. The shredder features a 3.43-gallon wastebasket, offering ample capacity for your shredding needs. The basket is designed for easy emptying, reducing downtime and interruptions during shredding sessions. Safety is a priority with the Walsh paper shredder. It is ETL certified, assuring compliance with safety and quality standards. The shredder also features an auto start and auto stop function, automatically initiating shredding when paper is inserted and stopping when shredding is complete. The compact and sleek design of the Walsh paper shredder makes it suitable for any home or office setting. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it a reliable and cost-effective solution for secure document disposal. Number 5. Bonsai 10 Paper Shredder. Bonsai C209D is a powerful and efficient, cross-cut paper shredder designed for home and office use. With its heavy-duty performance and versatile capabilities, it provides a secure and convenient solution for disposing of sensitive documents and personal information. The shredder can handle up to 10 sheets of paper at a time, making it ideal for quick and efficient shredding of various documents. It can also shred credit cards, staples, and paper clips, reducing the time spent on document preparation. The cross-cut shredding style of the Bonsai C209D ensures that documents are shredded into small confetti-like particles, providing a high level of security, P4, to safeguard your sensitive information. Equipped with a 5.5-gallon waste bin, the shredder offers ample capacity to hold a substantial amount of shredded materials. The transparent window on the waste bin allows you to monitor the fill level easily, ensuring timely emptying when needed. For user convenience and safety, the Bonsai C209D features an auto start and manual reverse function. The auto start feature allows for convenient shredding by automatically activating the shredder when paper is inserted, while the reverse function helps clear paper jams and prevents any interruptions during shredding sessions. The shredder's compact design and built-in handle make it easy to move and position in any home or office space. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it a reliable and cost-effective shredding solution. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys.